Hey coffee lovers! Welcome back to the channel. Today we're making a smooth and cozy salted honey latte that's rich, creamy, slightly sweet, and perfectly balanced with a touch of sea salt. This easy homemade latte feels like something straight from your favorite cafe, but comes together right in your own kitchen. Grab your espresso, warm up your milk, and let's create this comforting coffee drink together for the perfect cozy sip today. Ingredients: 1 shot espresso or 1/2 cup strong brewed coffee, 1 cup milk, or oat milk, 1/2 tablespoons honey, 1/8 teaspoon sea salt, 1/2 teaspoon vanilla extract, whipped cream. Extra honey drizzle for topping directions. Start by brewing a fresh shot of espresso or a strong cup of coffee, and set it aside. In a small saucepan over medium-low heat, combine the milk, honey, vanilla extract, and sea salt. Whisk continuously until the milk becomes warm and slightly frothy, but do not allow it to boil. Taste the mixture and adjust the honey or salt if needed to create your perfect sweet and salty balance. Pour the espresso into your favorite mug. Then slowly add the warm honey milk mixture. Stir gently to combine all the flavors together into a smooth and creamy latte. For an extra cafe-style touch, top the latte with whipped cream, a drizzle of honey, and a tiny pinch of sea salt. The combination of rich coffee, sweet honey, and salty finish creates a warm and comforting drink that feels both luxurious and simple. Serve immediately and enjoy every cozy sip. Thank you so much for watching today's salted honey latte recipe video. I hope you enjoyed learning how to make this creamy, cozy, cafe-style coffee drink at home. If you try this recipe, let me know in the comments below how you liked the sweet and salty flavor combination. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more delicious coffee recipes every week. Free ebook, Starbucks Liquors, Coffee the Adult Alcohol, worth $5.99. The description, https://tinyurl.com/3coffeelover.